Hi, I'm Cam, the PM for Objects here at Customer.io. Today we're going to show you a real estate marketplace example where when a house goes on sale, we want to notify everyone that is interested in buying that house, but at the same time we want to nurture their interest in all the other houses they've looked at. You can imagine how this applies to any type of marketplace, but it works just as well in EdTech, where you might say, these are all the courses and webinars that you're interested in what's going on right now, or these are your upcoming appointments, or even in SaaS. What about using something like this to say, of all your accounts, these are ones using this feature. You should really consider doing more with it. Enough preamble. Let's look at people and houses here. All I've done, using the spreadsheet below, if you want to just follow along, is I've used the import feature here to bring in people, houses, and relationships between them. So I have 7 people in my environment. I have 4 houses, 2 of them for sale, and 2 of them that will be for sale soon. When one of those houses goes on sale, I want to automatically notify everybody that might be interested in buying it. You would see the different people are interested. Adam is selling the house. Darlene is interested in buying it. Of course, there might be many more potential buyers as well. If we go over to Darlene's record this way, we can see that she's actually interested in buying 3 different houses. Makes sense. Looking across the market to find a good fit for her. And we're tracking whether she's been pre-approved, but we're also tracking for some houses she wants an update by an email every time something changes, and some houses she's maybe a little bit less interested. She's just like kind of keeping an eye on it as opposed to tell me every time something happens. So let's go build a campaign so Darlene can know what's up with these houses. We come in here. We're going to create a campaign. We'll just create from scratch today. So house for sale. And I'm going to click on houses. And so then what I want to do is when the house is updated and that status changes from something else to for sale, then I want to notify people. So this is the one I want. So I am going to say that this campaign should trigger every time a house's status is equal to for sale. So it'll trigger when it changes from something else to being for sale. Cool. Then I don't want to send it to everybody because we don't want to tell like the realtor or other people that don't want updates. Again, we only want to tell people that have subscribed to get updates on this house. I can handle that by adjusting the audience here. We will say certain people in the house, and because we stored that interest of Darlene's, which houses she was interested in, that was tracked as an attribute on the relationship. It's not a property of Darlene. She's not just interested in every update or none. It depends on each individual house. So that information belongs under relationship between Darlene and each house. That's why we saw it on the relationship tab before, and that's why right here, we can come here, click send updates, equal to true. Cool. So now when a house's status changes to be for sale, then we want to find everyone that wants updates and send them an update. Cool. Let's go build it. Skip all this today, skip all this today. So then we're going to start building the email. And so we'll say house for, so we'll say hi, Darlene. We're going to put her first name in there. And then remember that we can also use Liquid to not just refer to Darlene, but to the house that triggered this campaign. That seems important. So, and actually we're going to change to Darlene here. So this is all in the docs, and I can actually get to it in this sample data as well. But what we want to say is the name of the house that triggered the campaign is for sale. That's pretty cool. And then on top of that, we could even, if we're comfortable with Liquid, we can again include information about all the other houses that Darlene is related to. That information is contained up to 10 houses or up to 10 objects, but that information is contained here. So all we need to do, for example, is loop through this. Again, in the documentation, if you're not too familiar with Liquid. And for each house, show its name and its price. Cool. So we're making a lot of progress already. And actually, we got lucky because we even have a picture of each house. That's the URL. So I've written a little bit of HTML to save you watching me type anymore. Paused for just a minute to paste the HTML in there. You can see how much prettier my email got and how much information I'm able to convey and easily pull from all the different houses to send Darlene this great email. And in the end, it's the same information. There's the house that triggered the campaign, the customer, the picture of the house, and then we're looping through all the other houses and putting out the picture and a little bit more information. This shows you how easy it is to turn custom objects like houses or whatever into really beautiful, really powerful emails super quickly. I'm so excited to see what you can do with this, and good luck.